The Grizzly G1073 16-inch bandsaw is definitely my favorite Grizzly tool. I can easily round out bulb lengths or rip long pieces with very minimal effort. And it's very easily height adjustable. This precision-made fence slides very easily across the table and locks in very securely. With the 16-inch throat capacity, I can easily do wide crosscuts for cutting big bulb lengths or any other boards that I might need to crosscut. The fence also easily converts into a resawing bandsaw. With its 7.5 inches of capacity, I can easily resaw any board I need to. Rounding out bulb lengths is also a piece of cake. I'm Lucas Royan, and this is my favorite Grizzly tool. And although this model is not made anymore, it still looks and performs like it's brand new. Grizzly now has a newer model that also includes some really nice new features, including a foot brake. Check out grizzly.com or click the link below for more information.